Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making shrimp cutlet. So for this I have here clean, deveined, and I chopped it in small pieces of shrimp. It's about 800 grams. And I have 4 small potatoes boiled, and I mashed it with, added some salt and I mashed it. 2 medium onion chopped, 8 chili, green chili, some curry leaf, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of lime. I have here plain chili powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 1.5 teaspoon of pepper and salt for your taste, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay guys, so I added about 2 tablespoons of oil to my pan. I'm gonna let this heat up. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the mustard seed, the cinnamon and cardamom, the fennel seed. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion. So I'm going to let this onion saute for a couple of minutes. Okay, it's been sauteing for about 2 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic paste. And saute this for a couple of minutes too. I'm going to be adding my green chili. Let this fry up, and my curry leaf as well. Okay guys, so it's been simmering for a couple of minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped up shrimp, and I'm going to be adding salt to your taste. My turmeric powder, and let this cook for another 5 minutes. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and throw in my black pepper and the plain chili powder, and then let this saute for another 5 minutes. Stir this up really well and cook it for another 6 to 7 minutes covered. It's been cooking for about 7 minutes on medium heat. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add the mashed up potato, and you're gonna have to mix it really well. Okay guys, mix it up really good. Basically just mashing the potato right in with the shrimp. Just cook this on low heat for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been cooking for about 2 minutes on low heat. So you can go ahead and add the lime juice. Just mix it up. Okay guys, so mix it up really good, shut off the heat, and I'm going to let this cool down. So I'm going to show you the next step. Okay guys, so this is cooled down, so just take part, just make it into a ball. So I'm going to continue to do this. Guys, so I just made a few of them into balls, and I'm going to show you. Just take a cutlet, put it in the egg wash, then throw it in my breadcrumbs. So I have here 1 egg and some breadcrumbs. Just coat it up with the breadcrumbs. So if you guys find it, if it's a little bit watery, or if you need to add, you can also add some breadcrumbs, flavored breadcrumbs to your shrimp mixture. Just coat it up. Take the next one. Give it a nice coat, and then just transfer it. So let me go ahead and do this. Guys, so I have a pan here with oil heating to deep fry my cutlets. So my oil is heated. I have put in the cutlet. I'm gonna fry it till it's golden brown. Guys, so it's nice and golden brown. Just take it out, and I'm gonna go ahead, plate it, and I'll show you. Hey guys, so this is it. This is the plating, and this is a very, very delicious dish. You must try it. And if you guys like my video, please hit like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.